Welcome to Taipei, Taiwan. The adventure is just beginning. And for those of you that subscribed in the past few months, you probably don't realize, but this channel started out as a bicycle touring channel. And in this video, we're gonna get back to the roots. For the next 5 weeks, I'm gonna be exploring Taiwan on a bicycle. And I'm super excited because 100% hands down, it's the best way to experience a country. The cultural immersion, the in-between towns, the really getting to know a place. There's no better way to do it. So even if you've never thought of bicycle touring, you're not into bicycle touring, check it out. It's gonna be good. We're gonna go way, way off the beaten path. We're also going to do it with the lovely Savannah. So, subscribe, tune in, you won't be disappointed. We're buying fruit. And Savannah's gonna try durian for the first time. The durian, to some people, tastes exactly like rotting flesh. And to others, it's just a regular old delicious fruit.
Double wrapped it.
And I'm hoping that Savannah's on the rotting flesh side.
It's supposed to taste like garlic?
It tastes like garlic? Or is it?
Tastes like I'm eating a garlic clove. Ah, what's that?
That's a heart.
No rotting flesh.
But look at
Definite garlic
but look
situation.
It's a very pasty,
That looks like rotting flesh.
a very pasty, fleshy fruit.
We can be done with this. Oh, look at that. That's my man. Slurp it up. Oh. Okay, after seeing that, I'm good on this.
You don't like it?
I like the white pineapple the best.
We just came across tea. Boba tea?
Boba tea.
Boba tea.
Bubble tea? Boba tea?
Boba tea? Look at this one. That looks so good.
Tapestry drink.
Yeah, it's all chunky.
I like it.
What is those?
Tapioca balls.
What's they do?
What do they do? It's in my mouth.
I don't like that.
One for me.
One month of living on the bicycle in Taiwan is about to begin. Always get like a little nervous when this starts. Just an odd feeling being in a country and not knowing anything about it and just taking off. And here she comes. We're going. We're doing it. Scary.
Terrified.
Up early, beating the traffic. We're on our way. After about a day and a half of riding through what was mostly urban, We have finally made it to the ocean. It's probably, I guess, about 75 miles, and we felt it. Yesterday was super hot. Today it was overcast. It's a lot cooler. And first thing we did is we came to a fish market, and we're very confused, but we think we have some interesting stuff coming. Well, interesting for us, probably pretty tame for Taiwan, but we're having fun. We're tired, but we're done with the city stuff, and it's going to be a more quiet, secluded, off the beaten path adventure from here on out. So we're going to feast on some seafood, chill here in Hsinchu tonight in a hotel, and then tomorrow we're going to set off and probably start camping. Pretty much everywhere we go, we get free stuff. We get free tea.
Tea's always good.
Yeah, what else have we gotten free?
You got a free little sparkling soda last night.
Oh, that's right. It's like a sparkling tea soda. Now we just got free ice cream. People, when they see you sitting for more than a minute without anything, and this is at the convenience stores. These are the cashiers come out and just give you free stuff.
The guy in the truck passed us a sports drink.
Oh, we had a car stop, and the guy gave us a sports drink. Yeah, people are super, super nice here. So our first dish arrived. It's a seafood noodle. It looks delicious. It was about $2.50 for that whole bowl. That's crazy. All right, our next dish arrived, and it's assorted sea vegetables. And I recognize seaweed, red chilies. So it's different types of seaweed, and then you have chilies, green onions, white onion, carrot, mixed in with all the seaweed. Oh, look at this. Fried oysters. Soaking the oyster in the sauce completely changes the texture and thickness of the batter. The whole thing gets really soft and juicy. Oh, it's so good. That plate of oysters, which is 2 dozen oysters at least, came to about $7. So food is very, very inexpensive here, very fresh, very good. So the food's great. We're just getting started. Good morning. Day 3 is starting, and the weather is not looking good for us. We got a wind coming out of the south, which is the direction we're going. There's also a high chance of rain, and it looks like rain. It'd be the perfect day to take a day off. However, we have been off of the tourist circuit. There was, as far as foreign tourists, there were a lot of people at the harbor yesterday when we explored it, and then the town last night. There's no tourist hotels, so we've been staying in what I call love hotels, push hotels. It's the kind of place that you rent for an hour if you want, but we've been doing overnight. You can tell it's one because they supply you with stonker donker condoms in the room. There's also, you can tell by the way it's beautifully decorated, that there's something going on here. And it's just not the place that we want to spend some extra time, so we're gonna go forward in the rain. And the town itself, other than the port, there's absolutely nothing to do here. It's pretty much a ghost town. And yeah, so let's head on out and see what awaits us. Positive attitude, wheel positive. Let's go. So we're heading out. We're all packed, and we'll show you another thing about the love hotels, the hookup hotels, is that you can park your car in them. So the way it works, and I haven't seen these in Asia, before, but I've definitely seen them in Latin America. So we come down here and we're gonna have a garage. Alright, so stairwell out here, garage that's gonna come on, hopefully, or not. Okay. So we were able to park the bikes in the garage, which was kind of nice, not having to worry about them. Here's our garage door. As you can see, you check in and you come down this row with your partner, the person you want to spend some time with, and they open the garage for you. You pull your car in the garage, shut the garage door, that way you're not walking through a lobby. There's discretion, and yeah, you use your room for an hour, 2 hours, or overnight like some people. But we're gonna pack these bikes up and get at it. So we're off. Looks a little rainy, but we might be good.